Before starting our next exercise, we will learn that how we can show 4-digit numbers on an abacus. To show a 4-digit number on an abacus, we need an abacus with 4 rods. Starting from the left, the rods would represent 1000, 100, tens and ones respectively. Now let us start our exercise self-practice 2B. In this our first question is write the number shown on each abacus in all forms. Here abacus is given to us, we have to count the number of beads made on it, and then we have to write them in their column of 1000, 100, tens and ones. Then we have to write them in the all the forms, that is standard form, word form and expanded form. So in 1000 column the number of beads are made 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 in the place of 1000 column. Then in 100 place 2 beads are made, so we will write 2 in the 100 column. Then in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are made, so we will write 5 in the tens column. And in ones place only 1 bead is made, so we will write 1 only. So standard form our number will be 4251. The 1000 place is separated by the comma, and rest of 100, tens and ones are coming in the heading of ones only, so we will separate it by the comma. So 4,251 is our number. In word form we will write the spelling of this number, that is FOUR4, THOUSAND 1000, TWO2, HUNDRED 100, FIFTY 50, ONE 1. And in expanded form we will write it as 4000 because 4 is in the 1000 place, plus 200 because 2 is in the hundreds place, plus 50 because 5 is in the tens place, and plus 1. So our expanded form number will be 4000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 1. In B figure, in 1000 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are made, so we will write 5 in the column of 1000. In 100 place no bead is made, so we will assume 0 there. We will write 0 there. Then tens place 4 beads are made, so we will write 4 there. In ones place 2 beads are made, so we will write 2 there. So our standard form number will be 5,042. And in word form we will write it as FIVE 5, THOUSAND 1000, FORTY 40, TWO 2. And in expanded form we will write it as 5000 5000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 2. In C figure, the number of beads are made in the 1000 column is 2, so we will write 2 in the place of 1000 column. In 100 place the number of beads are 3, so we will write 3 in the place of 100. And in tens column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are made, so we will write 5 in the place of tens. And in ones column 2 beads are made, so we will write 2 there. So our standard form number will be 2,352. And in word form we will write it as TWO2, THOUSAND 1000, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, FIFTY 50, TWO 2, 2352. And in expanded form we will write it as 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 2. Now in D figure, in 1000 column 3 beads are made, so we will write 3 in place of 1000 column. In 100 place no beads are there, so we will write 0 there. In tens place 2 beads are made, so we will write 2 there. In ones place 5 beads are made, so we will write 5 there. So in standard form our number will be 3,025, and in word form we will write it as 3025. The spelling of this will be THREE 3, THOUSAND 1000, TWENTY 20, FIVE 5. In expanded form we will write it as 3000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 5. Now our second question is represent the following numbers on the abacus, also write the numerals in all 3 forms. Now the abacus is given to us, but number of beads we have to made according to the number given to us. Then we have to write them in the standard form, word form and expanded form. So in A figure the number is given to us is 9432. So as 9 is written on the 1000 place, so we will make 9 beads in the column of 1000. And in 100 place 4 is made, so we will write 4 bead, we will make 4 beads in the place of 100. And tens place 3 is written, so we will make 3 beads. And ones place 2 is written, so we will make 2 beads. So our standard form number will be 9,432. And in word form we will write the spelling of this, that is 9432. Spelling of that is NINE 9, THOUSAND 1000, FOUR4, HUNDRED 100, THIRTY 30, TWO 2. And in expanded form we will write it as 9000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. In the B figure, the number is given to us 3502. So in 1000 column we will make 3 beats because 3 is written in the 1000 place and 5 is written in the 100 place, so we will make 5 beats in the place of 100. And tens place 0 is written, so we will not make any of the beat there. Then in ones place 2 is written, so we will make 2 beats on the ones rod. So our standard form number will be 3,502. And in word form we will write the spelling of this, that is THREE3, THOUSAND 1000, FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100, TWO 2. In expanded form we will write it as 3000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 2. Now in C figure, the number is given to us 1006. So in 1000 place 1 is written, so we will make 1 bead in the place of 1000 column. And in hundreds and tens place 00 is written, so we will not make any of the bead there. And in ones place 6 is written, so we will make 6 beads in the ones rod. Now in standard form our number will be 1,006. And in word form we will write the spelling of this, that is 1006, ONE1 THOUSAND 1000 SIX 6. And in expanded form we will write it as 1000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. Now in D figure, the number is given to us 8888. So in all the columns we will make 8 beats because 1000 place also 8 is given, 100 place also 8 is given, tens place also 8 is given, and ones place also 8 is given. So all the columns we will make 8 beats. So in standard form we will write it as 8,888. And in word form we will write it as EIGHT 8, THOUSAND 1000, EIGHT 8, HUNDRED 100, EIGHTY 80, EIGHT 8. That is 8888. And in expanded form we will write it as 8000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 8. Now in third question, our question is, read each of the following sentences shown the given number on the given abacus. Now they have given you some sentences, you have to read it out and then you have to find the number given in them, and that number you have to show on the abacus by making the beats. So in A column our sentences, there are 7083 railway stations in India. So in 1000 place you will make 7 beats because 7 is written in the 1000 place and 0 is written in the 100 place, so no beat we will make. Then in tens column 8 beats, 8 is written, so we will make 8 beats. In ones column 3 is written, so we will make 3 beats. So like this we will make our abacus. So in B column our sentences, Goa is the smallest state of India with an area of 3702 square kilometer. So our number given in this is 3702. Now 3 is written in the 1000 place, so we will make 3 beats in the place of 1000 column. 7 is written in the 100 place, so we will make 7 beats in the 100 column. 0 is written in the tens place, so we will make not any of the beat there. And 2 is written in the ones column, so we will make 2 beats. Then C column, our sentences, the Amazon river is the longest river on the earth with a length of 6992 kilometer. So the number is given to us in this is 6992, as 6 is in the 1000 place, so we will make 6 beats in the place of 1000 column. And 9 is written in the 100 place, so we will make 9 beats in the 100 column. Again 9 is written in the tens place, so we will again make 9 beats there in the tens column. And 2 is written in the ones place, so we will make 2 beats there. Now in next question, fourth question, fill in the missing numbers in the number grids and read them aloud. So in this A question is 1001 to 1040. You have to fill the missing numbers with this counting. You have to start with 1001 and you have to complete till 1040. So 1001 is already written here, so now you have to complete the counting. After that 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010 is already given there. Then you will write 1011, 1012, 1013. 1014 is already written here. 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020. Then 1021, 1022, then 1023 is already given there, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 1030, 1031, 1032, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1036, 1037, 1038, 1039 and 1040 is already given there.